Little homies watching, so I had to get it straight. If I'm teaching wealth, I can't show them paper plates. Turn game into class, turn class into checks.
Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? You know, recently I heard that after AI settles down, that the next big thing is going to be quantum computing. So your boy decided to do a little research and find out, hey, what is this quantum computing? If it's going to be the next big thing, and I found out that it is a field of computing technology that actually solves the most complex computing problems, and it does it a lot faster than today's supercomputers. And we all know that with technology, everything has to be fast, fast, fast. So I looked at some individual stocks like Rigetti, D-Wave, and Ionic, and I'm like, this is cool, but it's so new. How about I look for an ETF where I can get all of this in one basket and maybe invest there until I'm more comfortable. And I'm comfortable now because, hey, this ETF that I'm going to talk about today, the WisdomTree Quantum ETF, ticker symbol WQTM, has been doing big things, and your boy's excited about it. And I thought I'd come on here, share with you, maybe get some feedback and comments to see if anyone else has invested, anyone else heard about it. And here we are. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod. On this channel, we talk about stocks. We talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs. We also talk about crypto, but more importantly, I show you my investment journey and how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future. If there's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel, baby. Hit that thumbs up. Also, share it out. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a coworker that there's a regular dude over there just breaking it down as simple as possible. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me go ahead and share Robinhood here. And here we are. As you can see, the WisdomTree Quantum Computing Fund or Exchange Traded Fund. It is just didn't put all that in there, and it's trading at $40.93. I know lately I've been doing investments that's hundreds. Now we got a pot of, hey, we actually can buy the whole pie. At least I can. I don't know about everybody else, but again, I'm just taking y'all on my journey. What is this whole quantum computing fund, WQTM? What has it been doing? I mean, it's a good price. It's up 2.45% today. Keep in mind, this is new technology. Is something that is being introduced. And we're going to see together, because I can't remember how long has this fund been open. I'm going to say a year or less. That's just my guess. So let's go down here. Now, what has it done? I'm not going to do the last week. I'm going to go to 3 months like I typically do. And it is up, in the last 3 months, it's up 55%, $14.52. Now, I'm going to say this. Anytime in today's society that we hear newer and faster in the same sentence, it typically takes off, as long as there's good technology and a good actual foundation behind it. And obviously, if it's up 55%, it's doing pretty good. Year to date, what has it done year to date, man? It's up 55.29%. So pretty much the same from January to June. That's year to date, from the beginning of the year to where we are currently in the last year. What has it done? It's up 37%. So this is telling me, like right here. So right now, I can already look at this and say they opened this up probably October. I told you, hasn't even been a year. That's why your boy is going to dollar cost average or DCA into this. I'm not going to throw all my eggs in one basket because I heard about it, but I'm not going to get caught slipping on the banana peel and be on the sidelines. There's two types of people in this world: those that are in the parade, those that are watching it go by. I'm going to be in the parade. I'm not going to be at the front right now. I'm going to be probably toward the back, but I'm going to be in the game. So is this a long-term hold? I'm not going to even go to 5 years because it hasn't even been out a year. So what's the point? It's going to say the same thing. Now, as you can see, I have an even $13. I didn't even mess. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I didn't even put this in Fidelity yet. Now, I have some of the individual stocks, and I'm going to be adding this to Fidelity because you're going to see the investments. I really believe in this because it's not just all these stocks we've never heard of. Again, this is an exchange traded fund or ETF. I'm up 8.22% in this, and that's pretty cool. But what is it? What is this WQTM? It's a passively managed fund that invests globally in companies engaged in quantum computing activities. The index is weighted based on relevancy and purity scores. October 2025, it's got 55 stocks. This here gives me some diversification. I don't want 5,500 stocks. I'm not a fan of probably no more than 3,000. Yeah, I have VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market. It's up there, but I don't like too many. But 55 is a little more risky because if 20 of them start slipping, I'm going to probably start losing some money. So what's in this fund? I'm not going to go over the different sectors. Again, I talked about it at the beginning. We got D-Wave Quantum. That's 6.69 cents. Rigetti. I have this individually, and this individually. Ionic is also in it. Then we have some of the names we've heard of before. IBM. Now, I don't individually hold IBM, so I'm pretty happy about that. Quantum Computing, Inflection. Never heard of those. I've heard of quantum computing, never heard of Inflection. Microsoft, Amazon, Fujitsu, which is it's overseas in Asia. And this Exandu, I don't even know what that is. It's 2.83%. But again, I'm going to dollar cost average into this and just keep watching it. Now we're going to look at some of the statistics. You can look right here. A lot of the stocks I do says billions. This is 221 million. That's what this company is worth. So not a lot of money invested into it. It does have a 30-day yield, so it does pay a dividend. But look at this. This expense ratio is high, extremely high. I like to be at 0.1 or less. I will take a chance every blue moon and go up this high. I'm not a fan of it because if I have a lot of expense ratios that are 0.45, this is what I'm paying for them to manage the fund. So they're going to take it out every year, take it out of my account. And I don't want this to be too high. Expenses over revenue is not going to work. I need more revenue than I do expenses, or more assets than I need liabilities. Hopefully that makes sense. But again, $40 per share. I've invested $13. I'm up 8%. I'll take that. I'm going to watch this. Stay tuned for more videos on WQTM. I just wanted to put it out there in case anyone else has heard of this quantum computing, if they've invested into it, if they're thinking about investing into it. As you can see, I'm already into it, but I'm not going all in right now. I'm just not. It's not even a year old. Now, Ionic, Rigetti, and D-Wave have been doing well. I've had D-Wave for a while. I recently got into Rigetti and Ionic because I really just found out about them. But I'm gonna slow motion into these. This is gonna be like football, instant replay. When they do it in slow motion, I'm gonna slow motion into it. Typically, I'll know, I have a gut feeling. I know all the companies. I know the technology of what they stand for, and I'll jump in as long as they have a good mix of what I'm looking for and what I'm interested in and what's going to give me a good return on my investment. Well, there you have it. Have you heard of WQTM? Have you heard of quantum computing? Is this new to you? I'd love to hear about it. Please put it in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Give it a thumbs up. Share the channel. Share this video. Please give me some feedback. I just want to hear more about this from the viewers, the subscribers. But tell a friend, tell a coworker, tell a family member about the channel. Maybe not necessarily to this video. We have several videos. I'm just a regular dude showing you my journey. And with all that being said, I hope you have a blessed and prosperous day. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge. More importantly, showing you my investment journey on how to take small amounts of money, invest for my financial future. And until the next time, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I guarantee you. Much love. Peace.
Little homies watching, so I had to get it straight. If I'm teaching wealth, I can't show them paper plates. Turn game into class, turn class into checks, turn checks into peace, turn peace into net.
To the city, yeah.